So, hi everyone, hope all of you are doing great. In this tutorial I will show you the view menu and the elements of view menu and how we could use the view menu in our Word document. So let's start. I've already opened my document and I hope all of you know how to open a document. Right now I'm opening more documents here, birthday card one that we actually created, and I'm going to open another one. So right now we have 3 documents already created. Now if I would like to change the views, right now it's in print layout mode. If we turn it into read mode, let's see how it look like. So this is the read mode. If I click on the escape button of my keyboard, then it will return it again. Then web layout mode. This is the web layout mode. So I'm getting back to the print layout mode again. Now if I would like to show the ruler actually here, how we could display it. So I'm going to the checkbox of ruler, and as you have seen that a ruler is coming. So and you can measure it. The sentence will not go out or will not cross the ruler. Okay, so as you have seen that based on the ruler the sentences cannot cross. Then next option is grid line. So if we mark the grid line, then you can see that this grid line is useful when we will work with the images. And this is the navigation pane. So from the navigation pane we can navigate where are we right now, pages, results, and everything. So right now I'm unmarking it right now. Next option is zoom. So how we could zoom into it. So we can click on zoom and it will ask how much zoom we want. If I click on 200% and make it OK, as you have seen that the zoom is increasing. We can do it here as well. If you look at this bar, as you have seen that it is right now showing 200%. If we reduce it to 100%, then right now in this way we can zoom out now, or we can do it more zoom out using this tool, zoom in and zoom out tool. If we want to see 100%, this is right now 100%, that's why there is no change here. Now in this section we can show it in one page view, multiple page view. If we have multiple page, then it could be multiple in this way. Now the next section is new window section. So it will move us to the home section, and another one is arrange all. So you can see trees are the all 3 documents we have already opened, all are showing here. Yeah. Now if I would like to now moving to my previous document again. Now I would like to switch among the windows. So how we could do it? There is a switch window option. If you click on it, you can see there are other documents that are actually open. We can see it. So from there, if I choose on birthday, it will go to the birthday, and if I want to get back to my previous document, I will go to switch window and I can click on it, and I can get back to the another document by switching option. So this is all about the view menu we can use in our Word document. So thank you for watching this video.